Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Drop-down menu, btn group, drop-down item, drop-down divider and more. Let's start coding. I'm going to create a div first with class name btn group. And I want to add a button. Let's assign a class name. btn danger. And let's give a name. Drop down. We need to assign one more class and some other things too. Drop down toggle. And I also need to add another things related with toggle. Drop down. Let me get them down. And we need to add our drop down menu here. Let's create a UL and li. Let's assign class for UL first. Drop down menu. Let's add an ahref tag. Let's say profile. And we need to add a class for a tag. Drop down item. Let me copy that one. Let's say settings and logout. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, we see our drop down menu. If you want, you can change size of button. We just need to add btn sm. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, size of our button has changed. Let me show it to you one more time. Let me remove that one. Save it. You see guys, let me put it back. And also I want to show a divider in drop down menu. For example, let's assign a divider between logout and settings. Just need to add a HR and we need to assign a class. Drop down divider. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create sort of drop down in your project and you can create sort of divider in your menu items. Let's have a look at another option. Let me create another div with class name btn group. Let me put a HR tag here. Let's add a button first. Menu. Let's assign class name. btn info. And let me copy that one and paste it. We need to add two more classes for this menu. We don't need that one. And we need to add two more classes for this button. One of them is drop down toggle. And the other one is drop down toggle split. And let's say I need to add one more thing, data BS toggle and drop down. And let me copy that menu and paste it here and save it. Let's have a look at it. This is our menu, but we need to click the arrow. So you can use drop down menu options like this. That one you just need to click, and that one is separated. You need to click the arrow to see the menu. And you can change size of the button as we did before. Let's say BTN SM, BTN SM. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see, guys? Let me make it smaller. You see, guys? That is the difference. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.